It's traditional at Christmas to put lumps of coal in a Christmas stocking, but for my nephew, I'm going to give him some lumps of rock. Now, I'm not as mean as I first sound because I'm also going to give him a hammer. Now, inside these rocks should be some crystals. These rocks are called geodes, so all I've got to do is smash these open and hopefully reveal them. Oh wow. That little hammer has seen better days, so I'm going to give it a clean up before I give it to him. I want to make this more interesting as a present, so I'm going to make a crate for all these bits to go into. I'm going to keep this all pretty rustic because that is going to be part of the look. So I'm going to get this marked out and cut the bits down on the bandsaw. To continue with the rustic look, I'm going to get this all put together, I think, with some nails. I feel a box with some rocks in it might need some instructions. When you were at school, did you ever draw treasure maps? Because that is what I think I'm going to do. Well, not really a treasure map, just some instructions, but I'm going to age it like I used to do the treasure maps in primary school. First job though is to make myself a cup of tea. There's a bit left in the pot, so what I'm going to do with it is brush it over my instructions to age them a little. Whilst I wait for those instructions to dry, I can get the crate filled up. So, I've got my little hammer and my rocks, and I have some safety glasses to go in there as well. There's a bit of empty space in there, so I'm going to need some packaging. couple more planks that are just going to go on top to hold everything in place. I'm going to get these planks attached using some brass screws, but I want them to be really easy to remove, so I'm going to drill some big pilot holes for them. The instructions are dry now, so we can finish them and hopefully not ruin them in the process, because I'm going to age them further by setting light to them. I think that's looking suitably treasure mappy. We get the instructions tied to the box along with a little screwdriver so he can open the box. That's it all done. A Christmas present for my nephew that I think is pretty interesting. But it could go either way. He might think, why have I been given some rocks and an old hammer? But hopefully he'll love it. So thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.